Welcome back. I hope you're having a fine day. It's been a couple of weeks since we put something out there. Tammy and I, the wife and I, were up in Maine the past few days, up in the Bar Harbor, Acadia National Park on the Maine Coast. Just kind of traveling around, seeing some cool stuff that we're going to post here soon. But this video is a little unique. I'm not building anything. I'm basically flying a drone. Christmas time, I got this incredible Mavic Pro drone, and it shoots 4K video. And I said, what a nicer place, or I couldn't think of a nicer place to take it than to the Maine Coast and fly along some coves and some lakes. So it's kind of a short video, only a few minutes long. And this little drone here, the technology is incredible. It's got a range of about 4 miles. It shoots in 4K video. It has a gimbal on it, an amazing camera and software, an app that you use to control it. And so I took this out, and it was kind of windy on one of the days, so I had trouble flying it. But I hope you enjoy the shots and of the video. And again, something a little different. We got some other projects coming, some wood projects and some fiber projects and different things that I'm editing right now. But this is just a little video of our trip recently. So I hope you enjoy it and have a fine day.